Assalamualaikum students. I hope you are fine at your home. Yesterday we discussed chapter number 1, human organ system and nervous system. Now we will discuss nervous system and brain and its part. Nervous system basically consists of central nervous system and brain. Central nervous system is the control center of whole nervous system. Brain enclosed in a bony skull that is called a cranium. Cranium protects the brain from sudden trauma and the injury. Central nervous system is the control center of whole nervous system. Brain, there is also interneurons, millions of interneurons present in a brain which connect one to another. Brain is divided into three main parts: forebrain, hindbrain, midbrain. Forebrain. Today we will discuss just forebrain and midbrain. Forebrain is the largest parts of the brain and it consists of further three parts. Number one, cerebrum. Cerebrum is the topmost and the largest parts of the brain. It controls feelings, thinking, emotions, memory, and decision making. The next is the thalamus. Thalamus is the small structure below inside the cerebrum. Inside the cerebrum, there is a small structure that is called a thalamus. Thalamus controls sensory functions. Now, the third one is a hypothalamus. Hypothalamus lies at the base of thalamus. At the starting point of the thalamus, there is a hypothalamus. Hypothalamus controls hunger and thirst, body temperature. Now, the next part of a brain is a midbrain. Midbrain is a small part of the brain. It basically links between the hindbrain and a forebrain. Form a link between hindbrain and a forebrain. Midbrain receives message from the sense organs and then according to their message they send to the appropriate part of the body. Now you can say it at your screen. In your screen that there is a cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus which comprises and form a forebrain. The cerebrum is the topmost and the largest parts of the brain. It controls emotions, feelings and thinking. And the second part of the forebrain is thalamus. Thalamus is inside the cerebrum. This is the cerebrum and this is the thalamus. Thalamus controls sensory functions. Now the third part is the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is present at the base of thalamus. This is the thalamus and its base is called a hypothalamus. Hypothalamus controls body functions, body temperature, hunger and thirst. It is all about the forebrain. Then the next part is the midbrain. Midbrain is the smallest part of the brain. It forms a link between forebrain and hindbrain. It receives message from sense organs and send it according to their instructions to the other appropriate part of the body. Today we'll discuss just about forebrain and midbrain. I hope you got it. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, students, take care. Allah Hafiz.